choose the 10 million. You know what thing 10 million can do?
Yeah.
Right now the government of Jamaica not even help me and me want help.
Yeah.
Nah, 10 million me I choose to help myself, yeah. And for help those who want help too, yeah.
What kind of question am I ask?
Which team you feel like are going to win the World Cup?
Honestly, I not bring the team, you know. I not bring the team. But Brazil, I go home. Brazil now win.
You don't feel like say all of Jamaica go cry if Brazil drop out.
I know the whole of Jamaica go cry, but that don't stop them from lose. Them still are gonna lose. Brazil are go home.
You don't feel like say on a serious level though. You don't feel like say Caribbean people them should have support the African team them.
Yeah, and differently from that, I like the Caribbean teams them like me I bring up. Like say if I bring them, like me not have a specific team of to say alright then yeah that me I bring. But like the African team them so to speak, like the African team them me one of them win. Or at least one of them win. African team them. What them call them? The underdogs? Yeah. So you see the big side them like Argentina, Brazil, and them no one them win one of the underdogs them take it, yeah.
What you'd rather do? So somebody what you'd choose between $10 million or Jamaica winning the World Cup?
But I choose the 10 million. You know what thing 10 million can do?
Yeah.
Right now the government of Jamaica not even help me and me want help.
Yeah.
Nah, 10 million me I choose to help myself, yeah. And for help those who want help too, yeah.
Alright, thank you. Which football club you feel like are going to win the World Cup?
And also we can't really determine that still, but Argentina must say still. But
But you realize Argentina have no black fans, Spanish. What do you think about that?
And about that, we don't care what them want to do, We just have work with Messi and the team. And our country, we can debate that. We just have to just work with what we love, and we love football.
Alright, so you have a life or death situation. Which player you would choose to take the penalty to save your life?
I give Lautaro Martinez from Argentina. I never miss.
Okay. We don't have no confidence in Messi take a penalty.
Of course, we have confidence in Messi. We believe in him with all our soul, mind, and body. But the circumstances.
So if Messi and Cristi never exist, who you feel like would have been the greatest footballer of all times?
I can't answer that question then. Without Messi, football is nice. No.
Alright, so what do you think worse though? Catching a woman give her the pussy or Argentina losing the World Cup?
Argentina lose the World Cup. She can get one go on, man. Yeah, man. From Argentina now lose, be alright. Yeah, thank you.
What do you feel like a hotter team though? Reggae boys or the reggae girls?
Reggae girls. Reggae boys, them need for restructure. Them need, and I can say something on that with all due respect. We not follow no roots. So when you not follow, you have to know where you come from, to know where you go. So if you not work at that, we work for that, we can't go forward. Remember, back in the day, we go for Rene Simon, a Brazil coach, to get Brazil style of play, for us build a flair, we are going for some money that make no sense, so we're not going away. We're not on a structure, and we're not on a unity. So that make no sense. Footballer from the heart, So from the heart, they don't care how good they be, it have a doubt.
Alright, final question. What you would rather? Would rather 10 mil or Jamaica win the World Cup?
Give me $10 million.
Why you feel like so much Jamaicans support Brazil?
Because some of them are organists and some of them are really I follow them.
So which fan base you feel like in the biggest surprise in our World Cup here?
Which fan base? One fan me say in Argentina.
How you feel about Argentina not having no black player upon them side?
How I feel about that? Yeah. No way at all, man. The world them are racist, man. Brazil are racist. They must say Argentina are racist. The whole team same way are racist, man. So I like to treat them a black man point. Them are racist same way. Who are them are racist? Yeah.
So if Cristi and Messi never exist, then who you feel like would have been the greatest footballer of all time?
Of all time?
Yeah.
Like playing now?
No, overall.
Overall?
If Cristi and Messi not play.
A skin teeth, man, Ronaldinho, man.
Yeah, I agree with that one. So you say, why you feel like your team are going to win the World Cup?
I'm got the greatest ball upon it. Lionel Messi. That dumpy, biggest ball in the world. No boy bad like him. They can't take that from him. History them a World Cup can't tell him and where him have him stats. They can't take that from him.
So if Jamaica did there at the World Cup and Jamaica play against Argentina, who you don't want to win?
The most Jamaica I come from and my country. I can't give him country. No day we not give our country for no side or nobody. But Argentina me carry. But if Jamaica is there World Cup, Jamaica me carry because Jamaica my country.
Alright, so if I get say $10 million or Jamaica for win the World Cup, which one you choose?
If I get $10 million Jamaica for win the World Cup, the most $10 million me take the most money. What kind of question the man ask?
Alright, well, which team you feel like are going to win the World Cup?
Germany straight.
Why you feel like Germany are going to win the World Cup?
Germany have the best, not only the best bench, also the best attackers.
So which team you feel like are going to give Germany the biggest challenge though?
Argentina. And the reason why Argentina have Messi, you have Enzo Fernandez, and you have two other good midfielders on them team. When I remember their name after.
Alright, so you now look a life or death situation and you have to choose one player to take a penalty to save your life. Who you would choose?
Kai Havertz.
Good answer. You support Arsenal?
No. Chelsea me support. But Kai Havertz left Chelsea and go Arsenal.
Yeah.
Chelsea can't come to England.
Yeah.
And that's why I don't know him.
Germany are my team to still, you see me? But the last question I want to ask you though, that one kind of more serious. So I want you to tell me which one you feel like worse though. Germany losing the World Cup or you catch your woman a cheat?
Catch me woman a cheat.
You don't feel like say Caribbean people them should have support the African side them?
Well, that's true, yes. But based on two things set right now, we are going with the famous side, you see it? Ever since we grew up, come up, we see our people are say Brazil.
Yeah.
My band comes my people, I say Brazil. So I still have to say Brazil. Like how we are say Labour right and PNP, same way.
So you say Jamaica is second city of Brazil then?
I say that, basically. I say that, because majority of the country of Brazil, I say.
Alright. Suppose Messi and Ronaldo never exist though. Who you that have as the greatest footballer?
Same way, you must find a look you to act like them same way, overall.
Call a name. What are current crap?
Well, look about them from England and Belgium them and you want to play for money. When name again the Kobe me now, the whole of them look young youth the same way. A whole star come up, man. I am all them look young star same way where I come up.
If a man give $1 million for switch from Brazil, you would have switch?
No, because watch you know. Brazil value more than $1 million to me. So I don't want it. I'm out.
Which jersey you feel like I top selling jersey so far?
Well, so far, when I see still a Christie, I sell the most jersey, you know, and then Brazil second, and then Argentina third, that's it. France, they're on the fourth. Although a big team, I'm my team, but them they're on the fourth, that's it. Yeah.
Alright, out of Jamaica win the World Cup or your favorite football club win 10 Champions League, which one you rather?
Well, Jamaica and my island and my country, so as you see, we know the jersey. They rather them win the World Cup, although it's impossible. You see it, but we go 98 and you don't know. Do it best, beat Japan. You know, score 2 goals and really. That's about it, but them get the match with the side of name what they stadium. No, Anagana man, what them name? Curacao. Yeah. Them get that match for win what day for go World Cup. Them get Congo again for beat.
Yeah.
It not happen. So them have to just try back next 4 years again, that's it.
You feel like the Caribbean people should have support the African team instead of the European people team them?
Well, basically, you know, that's a tough question. And you know everybody have them favorite team. Even though we are black people said we. But you know everybody have them 3/4 Jamaica or Brazil. The next quarter, alright, but I say the next quarter Argentina. You see me I say? But most of Jamaica, Brazil them say. You see me I deal with. But I feel we should support the African team them more, yeah. But I don't know from a longer time everybody have them favorite. Because the African team them never let we done. Them now, you see me, not the ball like how them used to. Back 1966, 58 and them time, you see, when them go World Cup. Them now play that. All right now, Brazil don't really have the samba in them, you don't want to say no, but a big team said, you see it.
So which fan base you feel like in for biggest surprise though, like how you said that?
Which one? Repeat.
Which fan base you feel like in for the biggest surprise in our World Cup? Yeah?
Right now, but I say Portugal. Yeah, Portugal. Them anticipated about Christie and him performance right now. Christie right now, him hungry for it, you know. Him them a bring basically. Because I sell mostly CR jersey. Yeah, if him jersey them sell, most jersey sell. If you do the maths, go Google it. The most jersey sell. As I say, Brazil and then Argentina. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man.
Alright, suppose we never have no Cristiano Messi. Who you would say are the greatest footballer of all time?
No Cristiano Messi. Who me say right now, Mbappe is a good baller. Good baller, I'm young. You know, and him persistent and them man there. I'm my next big thing in the world, to me see. I'm my baller, I'm my team still, I see it. French.
So you see him win the golden boot over Messi?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I me a carry you know one Mbappe. You see me? Straight France.
Final question now, my boss. I want to kind of more serious. Zane, I want you know which one worse? France will lose the World Cup or you catch your woman and give away front?
You catch me woman and give away. Yo, basically, is that question there? Yeah, I know. But I say, if you catch woman and give it, you see me, I say, in which way I can't put nothing past the woman still, but my woman is not that type of woman there still, you see. She have a height on her body, you see me? Yeah, make sure my woman knows, say, yo, you feel like get a change of partner, so change of partner. Don't try sneak on and yo. You see me, I deal with it. It makes sense. If you make she know, say, yo, nobody girl. So if you want to change your aisle or a change your partner, just go on. Go deal with it. Nobody come girl. And go like you're seeing. That's it. But me I said the woman figure at the front, that worse. You see me I said that? Yeah.
It's a majority of Jamaica support Brazil, but majority of them can't name 5 players on the side. Name 5 are Brazilian them player.
Yeah, man.
So yo, which fan base do you feel like in the biggest surprise at the World Cup? Which fan base you feel like will get the biggest surprise in the World Cup? Yeah?
The fan base? Yeah. Brazil, man.
So you say Brazil will win the World Cup?
Yeah, man, Brazil will win the World Cup, man.
Alright, so what do you think of the worse though? Brazil losing the World Cup or you catch a woman or give her the thing? What do you think worse?
Yeah, man. The musket woman I give away thing, I kill her. Yeah, man. Yo, still me don't want up on a meter still, my God. God knows still. I don't want to put up on a meter still, I believe.
You would rather $10 million or Jamaica win the World Cup?
$10 million more. Jamaican World Cup people don't have money already. They have money me want. Yes, I'm a killer.
Alright. If Messi and Ronaldo never exist, who you feel like would be the greatest footballer of all time?
Greatest footballer? Most a player from Jamaica, man. Because Jamaica love football, you know. Say like what Brazil love football, so to Jamaica love football, I must want the man them on the Jamaica football side that come great, you see me? Like our both great, we show Jamaica great. One of the football player them that get greater too, you see me? And put Jamaica on top, you see me?
Which one of the team them you feel like hotter though? The reggae boys or the reggae girls?
You say reggae girls hotter still, I'm not lie still, but the girls them are going good still. Them take them far away still, but I see boy, the man them party too much, get me I say. Or discipline in his team, you see it? That me have to say still, isn't it?
You have confidence in a Jamaica Football Federation.
Oh yes, man, I have confidence of course, but the man need to just train more, isn't it? And more discipline, is it? Yeah, man, we take go far away. Yeah.
If a man offer you 1 million Jamaican right now, you'd have switch from Brazil?
No,
No amount of money can make you switch.
no, not for love our money right now.
But I want you name 5 players on the Brazil side. Because I realize Brazil have a whole heap of Jamaican fans, but people can't name some of the players them.
Oh, we have Neymar, Veni, where do you have Veni?
Yeah.
And name again. That's them two them for me like so far, you know.
You feel like Jamaica are going to win the World Cup or qualify for World Cup by 20?
30?
Yeah.
Maybe them have got to change the coach. Yeah.
You feel like we are the wrong though?
Oh, Jamaican?
Yeah.
Boy, look at the money get to them and get lazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So them know that them sure them pay, so they don't have to show out.
Yeah.
Show out no interest to play no ball.
Alright, you realize that Argentina have no black player on the inside. How you feel about that?
Yeah, man, Argentina a good side, you know, but they don't like black people. Yeah, man, they don't like black people.
Which one you feel like worse though? Brazil losing the World Cup or you catch a woman and give away something?
Where's it?
What you think worse? Brazil losing the World Cup or you catch a woman and give away poems?
The woman.
The woman?
Yeah.
Yes, so that one that cause more pain.
Yeah, man, that is liquid, man. Liquid chip.
Okay.
Cause of eat out of rubbish.
Which team you feel like possess the biggest threat to Brazil winning the World Cup?
Boy, them say Germany, you know, right now.
Right now.
Yeah.
You don't feel like Germany have a score for second?
Maybe. We'll see where the round of 16 look like.
Okay.
Next week?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see what it look like.
Alright,
Yeah.
Which team you feel like will get the biggest upset in our World Cup here?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah.
So you say you see Brazil will go all the way?
No.
So far though, which one are top selling jersey to you?
You know, Vinny still.
Yeah.
Vinny still. I'm not tell him, I'm not biased still.
Yeah.
I'm not being a football critic still.
Yeah.
You get what I say? Because Vinny a real general still, you see me?
I agree.
Yeah, but Vinny alone, and every day Vinny will carry the side on him back.
So you don't feel like they make a mistake by bringing an injured Neymar?
Yeah, because you ruin the next ball a chance to you. Now make a next ball a show him potential when you bring Neymar still. You get what I say? Yeah, because you don't know, as them say, the man deserve for them chance. Neymar get for them chance already.
Yeah.
So you don't know, you have the young baller, them will come up still, and one baller still can come in there still.
Yeah.
We know same can, the next 4 years come up, still can represent for Brazil, same way. With little experience and belt still.
True.
You get what I say? So me that says a big role in that.
Yeah.
If you know say carry injury man when you still have so much baller in Brazil where you still can carry.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
True.
Yeah, so we still respect Brazil as the 5 stars general still. Now.
Same way.
Yeah, but you don't know, you have to watch out.
You don't feel like say Caribbean people them and the Jamaican people them should I give the African team them more support?
Yeah, because you don't know, you see Africa still, Africa was born land, you know, you get what I say? And you don't know still, we have to show about the ball of them.
Yeah.
And talk about the ball of them. We are performed in Africa. You get what I say? We come show themselves on the international scene as well too.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
Alright.
Yes, I say, yo, big up Africa, same way still. You see me, but that's one thing still. We just beg so crew just injure.
Yeah.
We come show him potential.
True.
And come show where him have.
Yeah, true.
You get what I say? So I say, big up Semedo. Anywhere him there.
Alright.
Big up.
Alright, so if somebody offer you $1 million or Jamaica winning the World Cup, which one you would take?
Well, you don't know still now. You not going to put money over talent still. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So you don't know. We'd love to see the youth them grow. Because when the youth them grow and the thing take off, and more money that still. So you can't say which money or whatever. You get what I say? Because you don't know how the thing come down to again.
True.
We're not going to put money over youth them talent same way. When the money come, the money come. But we're not going to praise money over talent.
Well, you alone said that, you know. So I'm going to ask you this a question now. Which team you say will win the World Cup?
Me that say France still now.
So your team that you carry?
No, you know, honestly, my team no make it come World Cup.
Italy?
Yeah. You see it. So as I tell you, I want to be a football critic.
Yeah.
Enough man who tell you them things.
Yeah.
You see me them still? Yeah, but me I tell you me a national same way.
Yeah.
We talk football same way. We analyze football same way. And we are talk certain things to make people can understand and have an idea what we are talking about. We not talk by yourself like a views you look or we are look no clout or anything like that. You get me answer? So me I say big up same way. You hear that manners and respect.
Alright. Last question I know. So say in a one life and death situation and you can choose one footballer to take the penalty to save your life. Who you would choose?
Well, Mbappe, you know. Yeah, man, me da give it up for Mbappe because I would say Africa was the same way.
So you say Mbappe a golden boy again then?
No doubt about that.
Alright,
Straight up. Yeah, man. Big up.
I feel like $10 million or Jamaica win the World Cup.
10 million or Jamaica win the World Cup.
Yeah.
Just then the chicken though, boy.
Which one you would have chose?
Boy, if Jamaica win the World Cup, that would be a joy, bro.
Yeah.
Or for go to the World Cup, you see?
Yeah.
But for win the 10 million, that can change my life, bro. Yeah. Don't know, I go for the 10 million.
So which one of them you think worse? Brazil losing the World Cup or you catch a girl like you wear a pussy?
Boy, I'm not really business, but Brazil still in the dog. Believe cover the cup over there, football, so you don't know that's what they think about. You don't know life. Boy, from them thing that my dog a different thing that. Girl give you the thing, my friend, a different thing that.
Yeah.
No, I don't want that happen to none of my friend them worse than them because
Alright, so enough people support Brazil, Zane, but them can't name 5 players on the side. Name 5 Brazilian players right now.
Matheus Cunha, Vinny Jr., Alisson, Martinelli, and Hendrick.
So you're in a one life and death situation, Zane, and you have a penalty to take. Which player you feel like you'd have make take the penalty there?
Up on Brazil team,
In general.
in general.
Yeah.
Lionel Messi, man.
Lionel Messi.
What do you mean?
Messi most penalty as a star. You know. You see one way missing a week.
You know, business about that. A boss I bring so you know how it go. Messi, right through.
So if you could have choose one of the entire tournament for watch for the rest of your life, whether it be the Champions League or the World Cup, which one you choose?
Champions League, man. World Cup are every 4 years, you know. You know, Champions League are every year thing. So you know it.
Alright, so we never have no Messi or no Ronaldo. Who you feel like could have be the best footballer right now?
Lamine Yamal, man, nobody else. Lamine Yamal. So a boss I'm bring so I will go get the praise.
Alright, we will speak up.
Yeah, man.
What you feel so worse? Your team losing the World Cup or catch a man a cheat? What of them you feel like worse?
Well, catch your man and cheat, that's the worst thing. That's the worst thing.
Like you support Brazil, you can name 5 players on Brazil team.
God. God.
You have to see, you have to know a player them. Come on, name player them, man. Name who?